To configure push notifications using OneSignal in Thunkable, you need to connect your Thunkable project with a OneSignal application. This integration allows you to send notifications to users even when your app is not actively open, making it useful for announcements, reminders, updates, and engagement messages. Start by opening your project in Thunkable. Once your project is loaded, navigate to the Blocks tab. Under the App Features section, locate the Push Notification feature. Click the settings or gear icon associated with push notification to open the configuration panel. This is where Thunkable connects to your OneSignal account. Next, create a OneSignal account if you do not already have one. After signing in, create a new OneSignal application. During setup, choose the platform you want to support, such as Android or iOS. If you plan to publish on both platforms, you will typically configure separate platform settings within OneSignal. For Android, OneSignal requires Firebase cloud messaging credentials. During the setup process, OneSignal will guide you through connecting your Firebase configuration so notifications can be delivered properly to Android devices. For iOS, Apple Push Notification Service credentials are required and must be configured through your Apple developer account. Once the platform configuration is complete, OneSignal will provide an app ID. Copy this app ID from your OneSignal dashboard, return a Thunkable, and paste the app ID into the appropriate field. If you are supporting Android, use the Android app ID field. If you are supporting iOS, use the iOS app ID field. Thunkable also provides an option to enable location permissions if you intend to use location-based notification targeting. After entering the app ID, save the configuration, launch your application on a test device, and allow notification permissions when prompted. When users grant permission, their devices become subscribed and eligible to receive notifications from your OneSignal project. To verify that everything is working correctly, open the OneSignal dashboard and send a test notification. If the configuration was successful, the notification should appear on the connected device. Android notifications can be tested directly on installed builds, while iOS notifications generally require testing through TestFlight or a published build with push notification capabilities enabled. Once the integration is complete, future notification management takes place primarily through OneSignal, where you can create campaigns, target specific users, schedule messages, and track delivery performance. And that's how you configure push notifications using OneSignal in Thunkable. Connect your OneSignal app ID, configure the required platform credentials, test the connection, and use OneSignal to manage notifications for your app users.